Oh, wait. You came out to this video. You need to watch this video entirely because I'm gonna show you how you can make 10, 20, 30, even up to $700 online watching YouTube videos. This is insane because I'm gonna show you how you can make money online. It's the easiest way that you can make money online with, and I'm going to show you the website that you need to be using in order to make money. All right, now this website, it's the best. All right, now also all you have to do is do the thing that you do already. All right, watch videos and just enjoy your life and start making that mullah. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, so the website is very simple. Now, even before we even go into the website, I want you to smash that like button. Yes, I'm gonna give you 2 seconds to smash that like button, and also make sure to subscribe because in this channel we show you guys how to make money online and how to grow your passive income online, which is something that not a lot of YouTubers teach you, and so many methods that I have on my sleeves. So make sure to subscribe and turn that notification bell on. And without further ado, let's start with the video. And if you guys are looking to make full-time income online, there's a link in my description. Click that link if you guys are looking to make full-time income online. And without further ado, let's go and let's roll the video. And the website that we're going to be talking today is called followfast.com. Now, this website I have talked in my previous video, but I haven't explained everything in details, which in this video I'm going to explain to you everything in details, which is this is the website that you are going to be using, and it basically says welcome to followfast.com. It says we delivered 100 million likes. All right, and they have already delivered also over 500,000 people views. So people are coming into this website to literally get views, and you are gonna be those people who are gonna earn money by literally just viewing those videos. And if you watch this entire video, I'm gonna show you the easiest way that you can be making money. And this is a really simple way that you can start making money online, and the easiest way that you can possibly make money online. All right, now the process of signing up is very simple. All right, you join by clicking on this button, and then you're gonna take it will take you to the sign up process where you're gonna add your name, your email, and all of that good stuff. All right, now you can also come here to view pages to earn points, and these points will be converted into real money. Right, now once you sign up, it's gonna take you to this page which you're gonna see your points over here, and we're gonna go now and show you how you can literally watch videos and start making money. All right, now you're gonna click into this says play video, YouTube video, and whenever you click that, you're gonna see videos that you're gonna be earning points from that. All right, now once you click this button that says play the video, and it will take you to another page, literally the YouTube video, so that you can start viewing the video, and you can see that this video is starting out. Now you don't even have to watch the video. All you have to do is just play it, and then even if you want to skip, if you literally want to just pause it, and then that's all you have to do. And then you're gonna come back into this page, and you can see that literally the video is starting, and then your points will be earned in 24 seconds. Now you're just gonna wait for that. You don't even have to go back to the page to view it. You're just gonna come back in here and then wait for the things, and then you don't even have to refresh. All right, and then that's all you have to do. Just wait for the seconds, and then you are gonna be literally starting to get the points, and then the points will just appear in here, and that's all about it. And then you're gonna keep doing rinse and repeating that until you reach a certain amount of literally the way that you can be getting that points very simply. All right, now as you can see, for us to check new video, we have to refresh the page, and we're gonna refresh that page so that we can see a new video. And this video literally is 7 points. We're gonna click it, and then once we click it, it will take us to the YouTube page, and then all we have to do is just go back, and you can see there's another 36 seconds, and then you have to wait for that, and then your points will keep on going on and on again. Now you might be asking, how will I be cashing out the money? You're gonna click on this. All right, once you click there, your cash out points will appear in here, and you can choose your payment method. All right, now for 72 points, your balance will be this amount, but how would you be able to increase it? All right, now you can get the point through PayPal, through Bitcoin, and all of that good stuff. Now the best part about this is literally that you can you don't even have to watch a video, and your points will just keep on increasing. As you can see, This 79 points have been there in there. All right, now here the video is you have to keep it playing on and until this finished, and then you can literally go back and open as many tabs as you can, and you can literally go and check on that and check new videos and all of that good stuff. This is how simple it is. And then you're gonna come into the cash out area to literally get out your cash out payments, and as you can see now my money has been increased. All right, now there's other ways. You can literally go into the Facebook areas where you can like videos, photos, Twitters, and then you can literally share stuff on here, and then you can come to the jobs, Alexa, all of these good areas that you can make money from. All right, now this is pretty much very simple way. Now there's no minimum, so you can request as low as $1 and as low as $1 in Bitcoin, also perfect money, and the money will be delivered to you in 3 to 5 days. This is how easy it is, and this is how you can start making money, as simple as that. All right, now that's it for this video. Make sure if you guys like this video to subscribe and follow your support your boy by just liking the video and subscribing as well. Now if you guys are looking to make full-time income online and you want to learn my method of ways to make money online, I have a link in my description, including my free training, which is 100% free. You can find it in my description, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Now make sure if you guys so that you can let me know where you guys from, so I can make videos based on your country, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Peace.